sandwich.
There's Jude's.
Okay, you guys went to Hardee's. I got myself a #1 meal, which is, I got a Dr. Pepper. I just got a single hamburger, which looks pretty big. There's some fries. Let's check out the fries. Oh, good, kind of crispy. I like that.
Did you see it?
Okay, I think I had the one with no onions, so let's try this one with onions. If they put them on there, let's see. Does it have onions? Yeah, there they are. Okay, let's check it out. It's just a single burger. They have pretty thick patties here. Let's try it out. They're pretty good. And check out Arby's. Forgot to try the Dr. Pepper. Tastes like Dr. Pepper. It's all good. Check it out.